back to Carverse. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most rugged yet surprisingly luxurious motorhomes to hit the market, the 2026 Hummer Motorhome. Hummer has always been synonymous with toughness, off-road capability, and bold design. But for 2026, they've taken that legendary DNA and transformed it into an all-terrain motorhome that brings serious capability and comfort for those who want to explore far beyond the beaten path. From the outside, the 2026 Hummer Motorhome makes a bold statement the moment you see it. Its boxy, muscular design stays true to Hummer's roots, but with modern updates that give it a futuristic feel. The massive front grille, flanked by Hummer's signature LED lighting strip, dominates the front fascia, while the massive skid, plate, and reinforced front bumper let you know this isn't just for show. It's built to handle the roughest terrains. The motorhome rides on enormous 35-inch all-terrain tires, wrapped around rugged 22-inch beadlock wheels, providing incredible ground clearance and stability on rocky trails, sand dunes, or muddy back roads. The sides feature retractable running boards, power-deployable steps, and wide fender flares that protect the body from debris. A roof-mounted solar array covers nearly the entire top, providing sustainable power for off-grid adventures. The rear includes a full-size spare tire mount, heavy-duty towing hooks, and an integrated cargo rack for additional storage. Despite its rugged build, the exterior is finished with a premium level of fit and finish, blending the tough look with upscale styling cues. Buyers can select from a range of bold, earthy colors with matte or gloss finishes, including classic Hummer tones like desert sand, tactical green, and obsidian black. Step inside, and the rugged exterior gives way to a surprisingly refined, high-tech interior designed for long-term comfort. The cabin feels spacious and well-appointed, with premium materials like leather, suede, and brushed aluminum throughout. The front cockpit features captain's chairs wrapped in ventilated Nappa leather with full electronic adjustment, heating, cooling, and built-in massage functions. A large 13-inch digital display serves as both the instrument cluster and infotainment hub, giving the driver easy access to navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and entertainment features. In the main living area, there's a well-equipped kitchenette with solid surface countertops, induction cooktop, microwave oven, and a dual-zone refrigerator-freezer combo. The cabinetry is crafted from lightweight, durable composite materials with a sleek, modern design. The lounge area includes a convertible sofa that doubles as a secondary bed, a dining table with seating for 4, and panoramic windows that offer stunning views of your surroundings. Built-in blackout shades and privacy screens ensure comfort and discretion when needed. The rear bedroom features a queen-sized memory foam bed, overhead storage compartments, and ambient LED lighting that can be customized via the central control system. The bathroom includes a stand-up shower with rainfall showerhead, a composting toilet for extended off-grid use, and a small vanity with backlit mirrors. Technology is everywhere in the 2026 Hummer Motorhome. A central touch panel and voice control, system-managed lighting, HVAC entertainment, and energy consumption. The motorhome comes equipped with full 5G connectivity, satellite internet, a 12-speaker premium audio system, and an integrated security system with 360-degree cameras and motion sensors. The roof-mounted solar panels charge an enormous battery pack, allowing for extended off-grid living with all the modern conveniences. Underneath the skin, the 2026 Hummer Motorhome is powered by a fully electric drivetrain built on GM's Ultium battery platform. Dual electric motors provide a combined 750 horsepower and 1,000 pound-feet of torque, giving it incredible power and instant torque for both on-road cruising and off-road climbing. The four-wheel steering system allows for tight turning in challenging terrain, while adaptive air suspension adjusts the ride height for clearance or stability, depending on driving conditions. The range is equally impressive, offering up to 400 miles on a full charge, depending on load and terrain. With level 3 fast charging capability, the battery can be replenished up to 80% in under 45 minutes, keeping you on the move without long delays. As for pricing, the 2026 Hummer Motorhome starts at approximately $225,000, with fully loaded versions, reaching up to $275,000 depending on customization, battery capacity, and off-grid options. While it's certainly a significant investment, you're getting a vehicle that combines luxury, advanced technology, and serious off-road performance in a way few motorhomes can match. That wraps up our full review of the 2026 Hummer Motorhome, a true beast that offers adventure without sacrificing comfort. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more right here on Carverse.